want to change the ice trap. I want it to place the ice trap close to this guy on the tracks and not close to the enemies. So ice trap should behave differently. Not sure how to do that though. Let's change it like this. Okay, that is some cool gameplay change that we can do. And it doesn't require... It requires a little bit of thinking. It is basically a gameplay change. And I like those the most because the gameplay changes are always great to do. So we'll put him... I'll put him here for you guys so you can see him. And the ability that we are going to deal with today is the Ice Trap. Ice Trap is supposed to spawn in a small radius around this guy. This is going to be interesting because usually how I do these, or usually how I activate those abilities is based on finding a target. So I'll probably have to change how that works. Let's start here. Oh, by the way, guys, anyone in chat, has anyone in chat played last Epoch yet? Tried it out for themselves? What was your opinion and experience so far? You have Gnus Nymphicus, and what do you have to say about it? What do you think about it? And can you recommend trying it out maybe tonight? Really enjoyed it. The crafting one of the best in the crafting is one of the best in ARPGs Immo. It's really good. So guys, are you playing on the servers or are you playing offline because the servers are broken right now? I just bought it, downloaded it, but I'm fucking watching the stream. You like PoE, so you will love it honestly. No, offline, okay. Playing live. 100% worth it. I'm gonna play. I'm online there. Fine at the moment. Okay. I'm playing right now, so it's good. What about you, Tcap? Hello there. Don't know who is a fucking clown for you, but I hope that this guy gets what he deserves, you know. He probably made you angry, yeah. Was probably Azen again, right? Yeah, 100%. He's not here, by the way. Where's Azen? Where's this guy? He's gone again. Fucking bitch. Alright, let's see. Aha, there he is. Aha. Aha. Alright, so let's see here. Weapon data timer. There we go. We go over all of the abilities whenever we can attack again. And then we get each of these abilities and check if we can activate it. You see down here. You can't see it. Or you can. Very nice. My face is not covering it. We have a cooldown of 1 second. The 1 means that is the cooldown. 1 second. You can use it a lot, right? Just like the... what you call it? Just like the... what you call it? Just like the spikes in balloons, right? You place down this spike generator and it like plop, 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 plop. It's like shooting them out, right? And then they stick to the ground. That is what I want to do too. Because it's cool, you know, and Palworld was successful by remixing a bunch of abilities, not abilities, a bunch of features from other games together. We're gonna do that too, you know, because we copy what successful games do and then we make a lot of money, right guys? We make a lot of money! Anyways, in order to do that, we have to figure out the type of ability. And I think, oh, cool. I already have different types of abilities, which means we can just do ability type, oops, trap. There it is. That's it. That is going to be our key. God, I love enums. You know, after yesterday, I appreciate enums that much more. Because if I now want to, you know, index into, you know, let's say an int some array, you know, that has 10 slots, You know, and I just want to index into it. I can just do some array, right, Mr. TCAP, right, and do ability type harmful, and it just works. You know, it just works. I love this. There are so much. I don't have to do this, by the way. I don't have to. I'm still mad. I don't have to do at enum2. Or was it int from enum? Ah! I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Could be wrong here. Anyways. Now let's just go over here. If we have a trap, we want to do something different. We don't want to look for an enemy to attack. We want to, well, look at closest waypoints. Oh, how about this? Get the five closest waypoints. Or let's say 10. I think 10 makes it a little bit better. Get the 10 closest waypoints. And choose one at random. Plus some offset. Spawn trap there. That's what I want to do. That's the idea for traps in the game. If this guy uses Ice Trap, he looks at some random waypoints around himself, so probably here and down here, and then he places the traps on the track. I recommend Anger for super tricky optimization techniques. Some of them are outdated. Agna, I recommend Agna. Some of them are outdated but a bit, but whatever, concepts are the same. Agna? What is Agna? But will this code optimize overflow fucking servers, refund devs, no care my money? Good morning, Cakes. Good morning, Meta. Sorry I missed you. Hello there, bro. Hope you're doing good. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you have a wonderful day, bro. What is Agna? Is this supposed to be a person? Hi, I just joined. What are you working on? We're working on a tower defense game. And in case you have ever played Bloons, there is a trap. I don't know what they call that. There's a trap spawning minion or Bloon. It's literally just a texture. Not a texture. Why do I not know the name? God damn it! Spike Factory, and this is a machine. This is a machine, I think, right? Or not a machine, not a structure. It is not a mechanism, not a mecha. It is not a machine. It's not a building. It's not a factory. Device? Whatever, man. I hate this, man. Dispenser? No, it's not it. Whatever. It's something with M, I think. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. Anyways, yeah, that I want to make this essentially. It's never like a image. Lol. Anyways, let's just get to coding. That's what I want to code. And we already have the different type here. How do we start? Well, we need to get the hero location. We already have the hero, so we know the location. Now we need to loop over the path that is closest to him. Over all of the paths. Let's first make a static. We don't need a static, but let's first make a vector 2. waypoints array of 10. I love this. I love this. In Zig, I would have to do this. Or something. I'm stopping now, guys, okay? I will stop shitting on Zig now, okay? I won't! God damn it! If Odin is not better, I'm gonna be so mad. Mechanism? No, it's like a machine. Usually when you think about robots, I don't know, but I appreciate you guys helping me out. I'm sorry, I'm looking for a very specific word that I know exists. But whatever, it's fine. Cakez, have you ever exploded R? Explored R. No, what is R? Oh shit. Zig Trauma, God. Hello Pikachu, my man, how's it going, brother? Hope you're doing good. And how's your game coming along, man? Optimizing C++ PDF, first link in Google, updated 20. We're programming now. Okay, so wait. First we need to get a... I need to take a look at game state real quick. We have a level in the game state, I think. Projectiles, beams. These are all temporary data. Level state. I think it's in level state. No, it is in the level. The current level that we are in. And a level has 10 paths. All right. Yeah. A level has paths. And then for every path, it has sample points. This is what we are interested in. And we should probably turn this into an array, but we're not doing this right now. Yeah. All right, so we need to get paths. Do I really use auto, man, because I'm lazy? Auto is fine here. I know why auto is fine, and I'll explain it in a second for those of you who are wondering. Manufacturer, YouTube is always ignored. No, Mr. Amida, it's just that it's so far to the right, man. It is so far to the right and small. I'm very sorry. Yeah, I'm very sorry that you're having to deal with this shitty experience, man. Brother. God damn it. A game state. Level. Dot paths. The reason why this is important here is because paths on the level can have... This number can change. Now, I could do the following. I think it works as well. We do array of path, comma, number, and then that would be the size. And then we do, I think, template. And then it's, I think it's int size, right? Or? How do we do this again? Does this only work on functions? Gotcha, bitch. How do I make this? Thank you guys for following Romeo and Igori. This won't work like that. Yeah, like how do I determine this? This is why auto works here so well, because it just determines. Thank you for streaming. Oh my man, thank you, man. Very nice, very kind of you. Sometimes you make really funny and witty remarks, and Cakez reminds it like 40 minutes later out of context. Sometimes I make really funny and witty remarks and Kate reads it like 40 minutes later out of context. Yeah, I know, Inukai. I'm sorry. I don't know how to properly do it, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I know. Yeah, I guess we'll do auto. Fine. Auto reference. Wow. It literally goes to the array. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Anyways, does this compile first? It doesn't... I think it does compile. The first compile is always slow. It does work, okay. No complainings here. Which means we now have a way to use paths. You can essentially just set the location Zec to a height and auto layer. Oh, sorry about that, wrong. Cakez has Cakez tried combining the chats? Yes, I have. And I actually have an extension for that. However, the extension doesn't work very well because it doesn't show like first time chatters. It doesn't show many other things as well. It doesn't highlight messages with add. And it has a long way to go. But yes, I have tried combining them. It just doesn't work very well. Alright, anyways, so now that we have the paths, we need to do a for loop. Int path index 0, path edx is less than paths.count, path edx plus plus. And then we get a path. Reference path is paths on path edx. How do I get the 10 closest waypoints without doing too many iterations? I think every time I look at a waypoint, I go through all of the waypoints in the list and I replace the biggest one. The one that is furthest away, I replace that one. So we probably have to create a new structure that is called something. Don't know yet. It has a float distance squared. And it has a vector to position. And we need a something array. How do we call this, guys? What is the name of this something? Oh yeah, I forgot. Because this something basically tells us, okay, we have a position here and that's how far it is away from the character. If I find one that is closer, replace the one that is furthest away. So, and I want to turn this into an array of something in 10 waypoints. Relative destination something. If the array is waypoints, so one item is a waypoint. Now the array it's an array of positions with a distance from the player. That's what it is. So it is you cannot calculate the distance on demand. It shouldn't be that expensive. Yeah, but why would I do that if I don't have to? I would always have, like, for example, let's say I have 2 paths, right? I'll show you. This level only has 1 path, right? But let's say I have more than this path, okay? Let's say there's 2. This path is approximated into, let's say, 200 positions on the map, okay? Because I'm using Bezier curves to approximate this curve, right? Now these 200 positions, the first 10 I just add to the array because I have nothing in the array. Then the array is full. For each new waypoint, let's say 200 new waypoints that come after the first 10, I have to check the entire array, compute the distance check for each point, and then compare that with my distance check. That is 200 times 10 iterations. And this scales with multiple or with longer paths. So I think I shouldn't do it like that if I can make it a little bit easier. So it's probably better to keep it like this, but I just don't know, let's say waypoint WP, let's just call it WP. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. I'm very sorry that I have to go again. I'll be right back real quick, okay? I really have to go to the bathroom. Okay, I have an idea. So, how do we do this? I think we keep this on the stack. That was fast. Yeah, I'm a fast shitter. Exile and Push are the only cool ones from your side. Fight me. Hi, Shade. Thanks for the hug. Oh, Shade11. Hi, Mr. Almeida. Came here to give you a hug. My man. Okay, I'm gonna go back to cool Twitch frogs now. Your YouTube pics are creeping me out. Bye. Yeah, Shade11. My man. Alright, let's see. Path. We need to do another for loop. Point index is 0. Point edx is less than. So this is the only thing, in my opinion, Zig. Like this, we have it in C++. Wait, guys, for vector 2 reference point in path dot sample points. No. That doesn't work. Why does it just work? That doesn't work. No. This is my own array. It needs SCD iterators, yeah. It doesn't work. No, this does not work. No.
Hello.
Hello, boy. How's it going, brother? Length squared from a vector, that would be position minus hero position origin. There we go. And now what we have to do is, if the waypoints points dot is not full. If it's not full, we do waypoints dot add a waypoint. That would be dot distance squared is distance squared, and dot position is position. There we go. We add in the waypoint. Simple as fuck. Perfect. If it's not, and then we continue. Because we are done with this waypoint, right? If not, then we need to look for the waypoint furthest away in waypoints and compare. So basically we have to do another for loop. Waypoint index is 0. Waypoint index less than waypoints.count. Waypoint index plus plus. And this is supposed to be an int. Scroll this up a little bit. We get a WP reference. Waypoint is waypoints. Did I call it waypoints? Yeah. On WP index. And then we have to have a waypoint. I guess reference, waypoint. Oh, guys, how do we declare a null reference? Or do we just do is waypoints on 0? A null reference doesn't exist, right? So I have to do this. Let's call it furthest waypoint. Furthest waypoint. Then we get all of the waypoints in here. And we check if the waypoint dot distance squared is greater than the furthest waypoint. Then we set furthest waypoint to waypoint. This is bad. This is bad. If I have a reference here, then I overwrite the reference. I can't use a reference. But if then I guess I need an int. Waypoint index is 0, I guess. Yeah. Furthest waypoint and the waypoint index. We can't use that. Furthest index. Furthest index. God, I love programming. It's like, you know, it's like riding the bike. You never forget about this. There we go. Now we have the furthest waypoint. And then we just compare. If my waypoint, no, if the distance squared is less than furthest waypoint or distance squared, then we set the waypoints on furthest waypoint index to my waypoint. To this. How about this? I love programming, guys. I just love programming. It's great. Position. Thank God, back to C. Position. There we go. There it is. Boom. That's it. This is the entire thing. Now, after this entire thing, right? After this entire thing, what have we done successfully? We have successfully looked for the 10 closest waypoints. And then I need to choose at random one of those. And I suppose I just activate the ability or something. Or I need to write this somewhere. I need to put this somewhere. Now that I have these, it's easy to... Basically, what this does right here is make the sword swing or the bow attack fire the ability, right? So essentially we need to do this. However, we probably have to change our direction. Let me see here. Think something like this. Activate ability towards the waypoint direction. Let's see. Hero. Check direction, right? Is... Well, first we have to choose the waypoint. Random range from 0 to 10. Turn that into an int. Waypoint index. Then we need to do waypoints on waypoint index. Is there a... Do we have an attack location somewhere? We only have an attack direction, but we don't have... Not reading chat. No, guys, I really want to focus on this and it requires 100% of my brain power. I'm almost done with this, but I'm sorry. Well, guys, okay, for those of you who are complaining, okay, because I see quite a few, it's either like this, or where I have some parts where I have to focus on this, or I will never stream programming again. Those are the two options. Okay? You can decide. I don't care. Okay? But it's not possible to program something that requires a lot of thinking and at the same time read chat. Okay? It's impossible. I want to see you guys try that and then come back to me and cry. Cakez is preparing to be okay. Average Twitch stream. Okay, how does TCAP do it, Cakez? Anyways. Let me think here. Random range, now that we have the waypoint. I don't know how to put the location in there. Why so silent? Because I'm thinking on this, bro. I really want to make this work. It's very important to me. So, like, the problem is I can get the direction, but I cannot have a I don't have a location. Target location. I have a target location here. Okay. Right? Yes, perfect. Attack direction. So guys, how do I do an attack direction? Cakes, I'm officially a fanboy here, like it or not. Well, I don't. I didn't even read the chat. I'm here for Cakes. My man, my man. Me too, me too. I just suddenly appear here every once in a while. Me too, me too. I remember now. I was sure that you can do it with simple arrays. That's C++. Here you go. Dude. SCD span. I have to do an SCD span or something for this. But this is converting it. This is a constructor. You're calling a constructor on an array, which means it either it copies over memory into a new structure, or it is creating something new. So, like, I don't know what this does behind my back. Let's see here. Does a base pointer... Yeah, it increases the stack. Yeah, it increases this. You see that here? So it probably uses more memory because it's copying it over. Unless, yeah. So this is the function. It needs 72. And then as I, let's see, 72. $88, and this goes up to, yeah. So basically, this is the stack, and then it does more on the stack as well here. It moves Leah. I don't know what Leah means. It's been a while. Hello there, Rotterdam. Yeah, man, it's been a while. Hello there, bro. I'm currently working on making traps work in my game, just like in Bloons. I'm a huge span enjoyer. Load effective address. Load effective address, okay. Interesting. Let me see, target location. That is target waypoint. And then attack direction, that would be... Guys, how do I do the direction? Again. From to, right? So if I do target origin to the target, so that would be the target waypoint dot position minus hero target location. No, position origin. There we go. Okay. I think I have it, guys. Ice trap.
Am I so out of touch?
Perfect.
No.
Perfect.
Rootradam just subscribed.
Hey, thank you, man.
Big tick support for 5 years.
I appreciate it, Rootradam,
Cakez
so
7
much.
stare,
Thank you
Cakez
very
7
much.
stare.
What a kind person. And on YouTube, Cyber, hello there, bro. Welcome. I really appreciate it, bro. Okay, let me think. I have a feeling that the only thing I have to change is the type of the ability to trap. Please tell me this works. If this is everything, guys, I literally coded in a new gameplay feature, entire gameplay feature, without closing the program. This is some peak performance here. Please work. Fuck! Fucking man. I think it should work without this. Please. Seems like you got an unhandled exception. Yeah, the unhandled exception is because I don't have a target. I'm targeting the road. There is no unit to target. Please tell me this works. Did he say what the feature was? Yeah, I said it earlier. Multiple times, actually. I'm trying to make the trap spawn on the road close to my dude instead of spawning it on the enemies. Where did you put it? Cakes, I found something. Yeah, really? Cakes, you probably need to normalize the vector. Oh yeah, I probably have to normalize because it's a direction. Thank you. What are you working on, JK? I heard it. Hello, Akinas. It's been a long time, bro. Very long time, actually. How's it going? Let's try this again. What is this song? Hello guys, hey Pollux. Good morning. Okay, now that the bulk of the code is done, my brain opens up a little bit more. It's a little bit easier to figure out what's happening here. Let's see which waypoint this uses. Build real quick. How often do you guys take out the trash? Once a week? Something like that? I have trash that I need to bring out right now. I need to do it today. It's overflowing already. Looks disgusting. Like every 2 days, really? That often? Holy moly, that was fast. Let's see, how many waypoints did you find? Their distances? Okay, that looks reasonable. And which waypoint did we choose? The furthest waypoint away. Okay, 196 on X. At 133 on Y. I have a feeling that this loop is wrong. Yeah, first and foremost, where's my weapon? It's completely gone. Let's add 10 waypoints. Seven, 8, 9, 10. And then we try to find... Do we have one that is closer than the first one? Yeah, we have one. Or do we have one that is further than the furthest? Let's see. Yeah, the last one. 6th. No, actually. Ah, okay. They're getting closer to my dude. How many waypoints do we have? Wait a minute. Look for the waypoints furthest away on waypoints and compare. Yeah. Point index. Yeah. Okay. So I'm assuming that this works. Paused on breakpoint. Okay, let's see. You have chickens and a mouse as a pet? Cakez, FYI, -0, same asm for the constant array span size T counter. So, a matter of style, I guess. Though you can shoot your leg and span example. I see, so basically the same asm if I do the normal for loop. Int index is 5, 5 is less than 10, index plus plus, or yeah. Cakez, did you see the video where Pirate Software called you a bitch? I don't think there is a video where he called me a bitch. Why would he do that? Okay, I wonder if this is everything. We can ask him to make one. Why? Eh? Did I forget something here? Oh, I break, I guess. Okay, that's fine. Anything else? Ah, I see. If we don't have an ability target. I guess is myself. I wonder if this works. If I target myself. I laughed so hard when I when he got called the man with the voice changer. But do people call him that? Why do people call him that? Okay, let's try this again. Because of his low voice? Isn't it just a filter? What's wrong with that? What are you doing? Why is your weapon gone? And I put a... Huh? Weapon type bow. Default item bow. What is the problem here then? Ah, I see. It's the attack direction. I get it now. Okay, I'm sorry. It's not, it doesn't spawn yet, but it works. Okay. I mean, he accepted the streamer want and had the same voice. Does Pirate Software ever dev live these days? No, because people complain then that he doesn't read chat. Right, guys? Right, guys? His chat goes to 100 times, 200 times faster than you're telling me that he reads every single chat message? Fucking eat a dick, man. No, he does not. You can't. He doesn't. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Because it's not possible. You would be reading every waking second of the stream. No, I'm saying that if yours was as fast as his, you'd be excused. No, it's called content creation. It's called doing something and then shifting focus. It's called deliberately doing that. Okay? Understand this. We talked about this. Yeah. Update hero. I know what the problem is. I need to normalize. Collector of Stuff told me earlier, but I didn't do it yet. And that is the only thing we have to do, and then it will just work. Watch. It will just work. This has to normalize. And then it will work. Please work. Now, I still don't understand. I don't understand why the trap doesn't show up. Hero target location. Let me try something. Target location on the size of 10 by 10 -5. I want to draw a white quad. Let's turn it red. There we go. I started following about 5 months ago about the Big Bang. I found it a bit more chill, to be honest. He used to be too back in the day. Stream was a lot better back then. I enjoyed Pirate Software stream more back before the explosion. Yeah, because it was more, it was probably more like condensed, like a small community, you know. And as you get bigger, the community aspect oftentimes gets lost a little bit, yeah. But what you're gonna do, that's just part of it, you know. Obviously it sucks. I think people say that because they got more attention back then. Yeah, people really like the community aspect. Again, that's a big part of it. And as you get bigger as a streamer, it gets more difficult to keep track of all of the people that come in. Cakes, give me attention. Hello, Ethan! Good morning! You guys have to realize that people also do mistakes, you know. How many projects do you currently have on the roster? I have about 5 React videos that I need to do and the Zig video. And I want to play Last Epoch. And I want to make this game. About that much. And of course, I'm trying to get to 1 shot a day, which is a little bit difficult. But I'm trying. Yeah. I have one coming out in a couple of minutes on the gaming channel. I'd offered you £25 to play a game at Christmas to be played in the new year. It's almost March. I retract the offer. Ninx, it's fine. But I just can't. I have too much. It is too much going on in my life and streaming. I'm sorry, I just can't. I'm literally not, probably didn't even play or won't even play Last Epoch. And I'm a huge ARPG enjoyer. That's how much is going on. So yeah, it's fine. You can retract the offer, that is okay. However, we got the cool offer from HelloFresh. That was awesome. And free meals out of it. That was awesome. Alright, let's see. Test it. If it works. Cakez, help me. I want to give up my PhD, but I need the money. Do you hate your PhD so much? I heard a very cool quote from Asmongold the other day. Okay. Basically, there was a person in his chat that said he is working a game. No, he's working a job he hates, but he's making good money. And so he wants to enjoy games in the evening to shut off or to cool down. And basically the sentiment was, why do you make something or why do you work something for the rest of your life, even if it makes you good money, just so you get so stressed out and annoyed and angry in the evening where you literally have to play games? Why you not change around this lifestyle or the job to something that you really enjoy doing for the rest of your life? Why would you waste your time with something as stupid as this? Because you have to live with this for the rest of your life. Now, a PhD might be something different, right? Because the PhD could enable you to do cool things. I don't know about that. I'm all about finishing things I've started, you know. So I'm not saying stop your PhD, but you have to take a look on your life and decide whether it is worth to pursue something or continue doing something that makes you really angry or frustrated or sad, anything like that. And if it's worth continuing or getting frustrated over this to the point where you're just not having fun with your life anymore, because ultimately you want to have a life that is sustainable and enjoyable in the long run. You don't want to keep going down a road that leaves you unsatisfied. Why would you do that? That's what I have to say about this. For money dances the monkey, but yeah, but only for so long. So yeah. Maybe think about it like this, bro. You know? I can't tell you. You know in your heart whether you want to finish the PhD or not, even if it's boring. It's usually a stomach feeling. Yeah. Why did I put it on Control U? Why not Control Q? Oh, look at this. It works. He shoots it, but he doesn't activate the ability. Why? Look, he chooses different locations that are close to him. Let's see. And then he doesn't attack at all anymore. So maybe less rage. Oh yeah, is Cakez gonna grow wheat now? So maybe less rage. We talked about this earlier. I'm a little bit scared of the fact that marijuana or that... No, I don't care about it being legal or not legal. I think it's a good change. I think alcohol is worse than marijuana at all. Or cannabis. I think alcohol is way, way worse than that. And I like the change, but I'm scared that I will get addicted. So I will probably do it once on stream with you guys for the first time. I will read myself properly on how to into how to use it, and I will probably not buy any tobacco because I'm scared that I will get addicted to tobacco. Mariana, alcohol is worse, yes. So, and then we will play a game that is very difficult, high, and see how far we go. Maybe, you know, something like that. Don't put tobacco in it. No, I won't. If you pass out, you can get banned like Kaiser. I will probably only do one puff and then put it out immediately and set it there for later and see how one puff does or works for me. I will probably, you know, cough up a lot because I really enjoy the free air and around myself. I'm a huge free air enjoyer. So why is it not activating the ability? Because that's literally it, right? What's happening? Hello, free air SOP. Yeah, cool. Hello there, bro. Cakez. Zig trauma recovery, Lemore. Tell me where Zig has touched you, Cakez. On all parts of my body. It was terrible. Fuck! I have to go. No! Didn't manage to do what I wanted to do. Maybe we can like sneak in 5 minutes. Wife's not gonna be angry, right? She's not gonna be angry, right? God, I really wanted to get this trap going. Come on, please! Let's see.
Gotcha, bitch!
Draw a weapon.
Gotcha, bitch!
Thank you guys, Captain Stupid and Evertay. Thank you guys for following. Cakez has to go. Yeah, I have to go, unfortunately. Oh, there's the bow here. Why? I knew it. There it is. Haha. Hä? Hä? Oh, I see. Ability target. Aha! I see. Come on. Come on. I know how to do it. I know what to do. Please, please. What are your cakes doing? She needs me to transport something. And she needs the car for that. And she's too scared to fucking drive the car herself. Because it's the car from my parents and she doesn't want to break it. It works! It's not perfect, but it works. What? Look at that! We have the blue slide trap system. But only when he's not locked onto something. That's a bit annoying. We have to fix that. But look at this. Poof! That's what I wanted to do. Now I just need to fix the bugs. We'll do that tomorrow. Hell yeah. Let's see. Do we have someone to raid? Oh, Mr. Cap is online. That makes it easy. Yeah, we're gonna raid Mr. Cap, guys. Guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for joining. I appreciate the big support. Thank you, guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I will see you all, guys, maybe later. Maybe later. For Last Epoch. In the night. If I play Last Epoch, then it will during the night. Where the America guys are online. Maybe. Maybe. I don't want to promise anything. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace. Bye-bye. And the same goes for YouTube. Thank you, guys, for joining. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace. Bye-bye.